Hello students, today we will learn that when and how do we use can and cannot. Means आज हम सीखेंगे कि हम can and cannot का use कब और कैसे करते हैं. Let's see the use of can. The word can is used to talk about the things we are able to do. We use can with he, she, it, we, they, you and I. Means वह सभी कार्य जिन्हें हम आसानी से कर सकते हैं, जिन कार्यों को करने के लिए हम सक्षम होते हैं, वहां हम can का यूज करते हैं. और can का यूज he, she, it, we, they, you and I के साथ किया जाता है. Let's understand can with an example. He can swim. I can play cricket. We can ride bicycle. She can write. So children, here you can see that all these work we are able to do. That is why we use can here. Means यह सभी कार्य हम आसानी से कर सकते हैं, इसलिए हम यहाँ can का यूज करेंगे. Children, let's understand how do we use cannot. We write not after can to say what we are not able to do. We write it as one word, cannot. We use cannot with he, she, it, we, they, you and I. Means वह सभी कार्य जिन्हें हम आसानी से नहीं कर सकते, जिन कार्यों को करने के लिए हम सक्षम नहीं हैं, वहां हम cannot का यूज करेंगे. Cannot का यूज he, she, it, we, they, you and I के साथ करते हैं. Let's understand cannot with an example. The penguin cannot fly. We cannot go to Shimla in winter. A fish cannot live without water. Let's read some more examples. I can read a book. She can dance. Animals cannot cook food. Monkeys can climb on the tree. The tiger cannot fly. So children, all the work that we are able to do, we use can there, and the work we are not able to do, we use cannot there. Means वह सभी कार्य जिन्हें हम कर सकते हैं, वहां हम can का यूज करेंगे, और वह कार्य जिन्हें हम नहीं कर सकते, जिन्हें हम करने के लिए सक्षम नहीं है, वहां हम cannot का यूज करेंगे. Dear students, like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.